welcome to World of Kinyo. We are in the beautiful island of Sal in Cape Verde and staying in the Hotel RIU Cabo Verde. Today we're going to do a hotel room tour so you can get a feel for what it's all about should you want to come and visit.
So this is room 4023 in the hotel. It's located in block 4, which is about a 5 to 10 minute walk from reception, a 5-minute walk to the pool. So it's very conveniently located to get everywhere, including the restaurants and all the common areas, and about 10 minutes to the beach. The room entry is via card. These are also used to operate the lights and the air conditioning unit within the room. Also within the room, we do have an air conditioning unit and a ceiling fan. The controls for these are located right next to the hotel room door. Just over here, we have 2 single beds pushed together to form a double. Very comfy mattresses. On one side of the bed, there is a single plug socket. Word of advice, bring plenty of travel plugs, which are the European style with the 2 rounded pins. On the other side of the bed, we have 2 USB sockets, the telephone, and also a directory for all the bars and restaurants and the numbers for reception and all hotel guest information, anything you might need whilst you're here. We also have a full-length wall mirror here for you to get ready in the evenings. Over here we have a little unit for you to unpack your luggage on. Just above the luggage unit, there is a wall-mounted TV with various channels, with limited English channels, but you do get Sky News. Leading off from the bedroom, there is the bathroom. At the other end of the room, there is a small living area, which then leads out onto a small balcony.
In the balcony, there are 2 chairs and a coffee table where you can enjoy your chilled evenings. Just off the bed area, we have a little sofa with 2 seats and a coffee table. Just off the bedroom is the bathroom. As you can see, there's 2 mirrors, 2 sinks, a vanity mirror, a hairdryer, and a plug socket, but you need to bring your own adapter. Still in the bathroom, there's a wardrobe. As you can see, there's plenty of storage. There's also a safe, there's plenty of hangers and pillows at the top, and just behind me is where the toilet is located. Still in the bathroom area, there's a mini bar where you can find a drinks dispenser for your alcoholic beverages. There's a plug socket, a kettle for tea and coffee, and underneath it there's a fridge where you can have a selection of soft drinks and beer. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, and you also want to know more about the RIU Cabo Verde and the RIU Funana, please check the other videos on my channel.